boys and girls? Welcome to Growing Guitar. Jamie Bower. I have a feeling that I should know about this guy, but I don't. I'm sorry. Sorry, all you Jamie fans out there. Never heard of him, what I know or so. I just came across this song on my YouTube feed, and yeah, here we are. Waiting for Your Love. Wonderful song. Powerful song. This is a piano-based song, so we'll make it very simple. We'll work with straight downs, because that's pretty much how the scenario is with piano very often, just straight downs, just following that rhythm going on there. And yeah, that will make it very easy to teach you guys how to learn this song. So stay tuned, let's go into this song. And I use a capo on 6, that's the absolute best scenario in my opinion, if you want to match up with the sound and have the easiest chords possible. So capo on 6 if you can, and then let's go from there. We're gonna learn, let's see, 7 chords I believe. So let's start with A minor first. That will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have F next, which is a bar chord, so you place the index finger on the first fret, push down all strings there, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. Then we have the C, and that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have this C B chord. What you do there from C just comes always just after the C. So you go from this, you keep the index finger on the second fret B string, and you just replace the third A with the second A instead. Okay, so only these 2 fingers needed. This is a transition chord, but it's very prominent in this song, so I believe it's good. Great to have it with us. It's not the absolute necessary thing. You can go with just C and stay on that, but I think this adds a little bit to it. So CB. Next chord will be the D minor 7. So it's open D, second G, first B, and first E. And that first B and E, I place a short little bar with my index finger, so I don't go in with too many fingers like this. Just a bar and add a second G and open D. Next chord will be the E minor 7, very simple grip. All strings are open. You're gonna utilize all strings, but the second fret A you need to push down. So there we have the E minor 7. And finally we have the G. And that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so like I said, just straight down. So let's go into the first verse. We're gonna play A minor, 2 downs, then F2, then C, 2, 3, 4, and CB, 1. Like that. So that is 1 round. Again, A minor, F, C, 2, 3, 4, and 1 on CB. You're going to play that for 4 rounds. Let's do 1 round together. Like that. 4 rounds of that, that's the first verse. Then we're going to hit the pre-chorus at 42 seconds in. And if I have to wait a moment, I believe that's where on the lyrics. What you're going to play here now is D minor, 3. Then E minor, 1. And F4. That's the first half. Then the second half goes D minor 3. Then E1 and F2 and G2. And that is the pre-chorus. Now into the chorus. It starts at 55 seconds in, because I ain't give up on forever. That's where we are in the lyrics. And what you're gonna play here is the verse play to start with for 2 rounds. So then you're gonna play A minor 2, D minor 2, and F4. And then you're gonna play D minor 3, E minor 1, F2, and G2. And that is the end of the chorus. Okay, so that is the first round, guys, and we also have this instrumental part. Yeah, it rounds off on the first round. You're gonna play verse play for 1 round, right after the chorus, and that will be the end of the first round. Now, into the second round, it's just repetition. Nothing else changes. It's the same verse, pre-chorus, and chorus as we just learned. And then we have the outro part left, and that comes right after the second chorus, of course, and we're gonna play on that C and stay on that for 15 downs. The only difference there is that when they play here in the piano, everything, they have notes to highlight for all of these 15 downs. So you're gonna play like this. Alright, so notice I play on all these 15 downs certain notes on the high E string, pretty much. So you have the first 2 downs on the open high E. So that means you really have to go all the way down. And then you have the next 2 notes on the first E string. So what you do there is just to lean that index finger as a bar. Then you go back and play 3 downs on that open E. And then you're gonna play once on that third B. Just 1 down. And then you go back to play 2 times on the open E. And then 2 times on the first E. And then 2 times on the third B. And then you're gonna finish off with 1 down on that first B. And that will be the end, guys. Jamie Bower, waiting for you, for your love. For your love, sorry. Yeah, anyway, that's the song and that's the artist. Great performer, great voice also. So if you like this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to me and like this with a thumb up or so. And I just want to mention my secondary YouTube channel as well. It's called Growing Guitar 6 Strings a Go, where I play a song from beginning till the very end. Play full playthrough with chords and everything. So you can just follow along and learn meanwhile. Go and check that one out. Helps me a lot. Thank you so much, and play tuned.